Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, this is just a little quick update video. I mean, I say quick, but they always end up lasting forever. But anyway, it's just to let you know, the channel is back. I have been away for the last couple of weeks, so I haven't been able to upload. And obviously my last video you guys saw was me on Christmas Day, just wishing you guys a very Merry Christmas. I was a bit under the weather, so I do apologise for being like, Merry Christmas everyone. But, you know, that's just the way it is. I said I would do it, so I just wanted to wish you Merry Christmas. So I hope you guys had a fantastic new year, and 2019 is going well for you so far. Okay, so the first thing I want to mention is I really want to start doing Q&As again, alright? If you've been on my channel for a long time, you know I used to do Q&As back when I was around 1,500 to 2,000 subscribers. And it's something that I've missed doing. I really enjoyed it. It was always a good laugh. And it took things away from guitar tutorials for a little bit. I know a lot of you guys are probably here just for the guitar tutorials and to learn things, but it's always a bit more fun just to keep that communication open and just chat to you guys and find out what kind of stuff you want to learn. So if you have any questions at all, please leave them in that inappropriate place comment section down below, and I will get them answered for you in my next video. Okay, second point. My guitar has decided it's just going to die on me. So I'll show you what I mean. Here she is. Okay, so what I think is, I think the neck on my guitar has just warped itself into oblivion. So whenever I try and... yeah. So, I mean, I can still play things down the bottom of the guitar, you know? But, you know, so when I'm putting up tutorials, I do apologise for that horrible buzzy sound. I will do what I can. Worst case scenario, I did buy myself an electric guitar recently for using Rocksmith. So I could always just try and do the tutorials on the electric if the guitar really is going to cause a problem. And speaking of Rocksmith, is a game I just got not too long ago, and I actually adore it. It's so much fun. It's like Guitar Hero, but you actually plug a guitar into your console or PC and you learn how to play the song step by step, which is really fantastic. You know, it's a really great little idea. So if you guys want to see some videos of that, that's definitely something I'd be willing to do. Just chucking some Rocksmith songs up there, watching me try and play different songs, because what a lot of you guys don't know is I do play electric guitar. I'm more into my kind of heavier metal kind of thing as well. So if you guys want to see some covers or me playing Rocksmith and stuff like that, please do let me know in that comment section down there. And the final point I wanted to make is that we're like 30 subscribers away from 5,000 people. 5,000 subscribers, okay, that's 5k. Considering I started this channel up is like just a video of me playing guitar and then one tutorial for my mate, because he wanted to learn how to play a song, and then from there it's just kind of exploded, and you guys have just been phenomenal. You know, yous have always stuck by me and my comments and everything like that, especially when I've been having a lot of stuff going on in my personal life. You guys have always been around and stuck by me, so I do appreciate that massively. So keep this up, and we're going to be hitting 5k very, very soon. It's just a phenomenal little milestone to make it to, and you guys, I just would not have been able to do it without you, so thank you so much for that. So yeah, like I said, it was just a quick little update to let you guys know what's going on, and that there will be videos coming out very, very soon. Hopefully a Q&A, alright? I'm just going to keep pushing this point, because I really do want to get some Q&A videos back out there. They were really good fun. And one thing I've always said is as a channel, obviously I am growing, but I never ever want to lose that one-to-one thing that we have, and we've always had, where I will reply to every comment I get if I can. And I will talk to you guys. I've got some of you guys on my personal social media. You know, a couple of people that I've got on my messenger, and I'll sit and chat with yous, and I even do one-to-one lessons and stuff like that. And a couple of people have now come up interested in doing, you know, duets and covers and all these things, and that's this kind of stuff I'm looking for. So if you guys want to get yourselves out here and play some guitar with me and, you know, put videos together, if you can sing, that'd be ideal, because trust me, I don't do singing. I've done it in one of my live streams, and it was just, yeah. So please, if you guys are interested in doing that, just hit me up, alright? I will give you my Facebook and WhatsApp or whatever else if you guys want to sit and have a chat, because it's important that we maintain this bond that we have. And this is what I love so much about what I do, is that I enjoy chatting to you guys. You know, this is why I do live streams, just so I can sit and have a conversation. Most of them don't even bother with guitar stuff. I'll play a little bit of guitar, and then it's like just chatting about life and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, quick little update video for you guys, just to let you know I'm still alive, and 2019 is going to be a good year for this channel. We're going to keep pumping out videos, doing what you guys want. So if you have any requests, make sure you hit up my request video, okay? I am trying to keep everything all in the one place. So just go onto my channel, swipe through my videos, find my request video. That's where you guys can put down any requests you guys have. And it means I've got everything together. And if there's a comment on there of a song you want, give it a little thumb, and then I can see it, you know, and I'll go based on how many thumbs each kind of song has. And we'll just kind of take it from there, because the requests are coming in hard and heavy at the moment. So but yeah, hope you guys are all doing great, and I really look forward to another year on YouTube with you all. And so yeah, that's it. It was just a quick update, and I know it's taken nearly 6 minutes already, but if you're still here, thanks for sticking around. So yeah, first point, Q&As. All right, you got any questions for me? Down there, in the appropriately placed comment section, give me some questions, and I'll put up a video and I will answer these questions for you. Second point, guitar's a bit knackered, so I'll do what I can to make this work for you. But I do apologise if the quality of tutorials aren't as great. But just until I can get my either that guitar fixed or have to make that sacrifice and buy a new one. You know, I really don't want to let go of her. I've had her in my life for like 13 years, but you know, unfortunately these things happen. And third and final point, 5K subscribers, guys. 5,000 people. Like, I just cannot wrap my head around it. Oh, actually, one other little point is I've had a lot of people mention, especially in my live streams and stuff like that, you really enjoyed the drunk tutorial video. I mean, I got slammed by YouTube for that. I got so many copyright infringements and I was getting a lot of trouble, but you know what, I understand that, that's fair enough. But if you guys want to see more of that, then hit me up. I'm always keen for having some drinks, you know, so if you guys want to see me playing guitar a little bit intoxicated, then hit me up with that as well. That's another idea, because that was great fun, and it's a little side of me that's a bit more fun and a bit less serious. Like, yes, this is an A minor, this is a C, this is a D, let's just get drunk and see what happens. All right, anyway guys, I'm going to stop wasting your evening. I hope you have a fantastic night, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye for now.